Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable your Facebook story on Facebook Lite app. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to click add to story. Once you click, then here you'll see some option. You can choose videos, photos or music, anything. So this time I'm going to choose text and then write something hi, and then click here privacy. Simply click privacy and you can see the text like enable comments are disabled. It means no one can able to comment on your post now, but once you click here enable comments, then after that everyone who see your story on your timeline, everyone can write any comments or send any gift or anything. So it's really easy. So okay, friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.